Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Intuit Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser and go to your default search engine. Then search Intuit Payroll Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to workforce.intuit.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Intuit Payroll. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email address or your user ID. Then click to sign in. Then enter your password. Then you should be able to access your Intuit Payroll. To make login easier for next time, click to remember me. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.